the audience is not just the queer community, which
Right.
is very very good to see
Mm-hmm.
na it's even heterosexuals, it's even
Yes.
straight men and women, families who watch Drag Race, Drag Den. They're more open to the art of drag. Hindi na
Uh-uh.
lang siya pang bakla, hindi lang siya pang queer community.
Yep.
So because of these shows, kasi ano talaga siya, it's a form of entertainment. It's
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
telling beautiful Filipino queer stories.
Uh-uh.
That's very relatable.
Uh-uh.
And not to mention, of course, grabe yung talent ng mga
Oo,
drag
ibang
artists,
klase.
diba?
I mean,
They're doing their own makeup, they're singing, they're performing, they're dancing,
yeah.
they're creating their own outfits all in one day, for
Yes.
example. So it's so impressive. And
That's
as
true.
the mainstream audience or the wider audience here in the Philippines, watching that, di ba, nakakabilib talaga.